Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop not working issue on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of AirDrop, that their AirDrop is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, I have got your back. Today in this video I will tell you how to fix AirDrop not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our first step is to make sure that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. AirDrop uses both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to transfer files. Ensure that the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on for both devices, for the device you are airdropping and for your iPhone 15. To do this, you have to simply open the control center on your iPhone and you can see the option Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. If these are disabled like this, then you have to do is enable them. After this, then you have to do is simply start your devices. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues. Restart the other device and restart your iPhone 15. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone, then you have to do is simply make sure that the personal hotspot disable. If you are using personal hotspot on one of on one of the devices, try disabling it and then attempt to use AirDrop again. If this still doesn't work, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings on your iPhone 15. So guys, to do this, you have to simply scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix AirDrop not working issue on your iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.